Hello peeps, how are you? I'm going to show you today something very unique, very different, which nobody is talking about, and that's Grok. But not just Grok as an AI tool, but as an image tool. Nobody's talking about it. Mostly people are running after Nano Banana or the GPT engine, but this one offers something amazing, and you will love it, especially if you're running a brand, a t-shirt brand or a clothing brand. So there's two things which they have recently introduced. So if I go to Imagine, number one, it gives you obviously these images which people have created, but what you don't notice is these templates on the top. So these templates are coming from Grok, which is standard stuff, nothing amazing there. However, if I click on View All, I can actually create my own templates and save them for my work. And once I save them, I can use them every time I want to do that specific activity. And that gives you complete control. For example, I run a t-shirt brand called Graffiti Attire and another brand called To Do Squad. And I need mockups for the back and the front of my t-shirts. So what I've done is, if I open up the first one, this t-shirt template actually creates the templates from my designs. So the way you do that is that you can get this prompt. I will put it in the description. So I'll start from fresh. So I will create a new template, and I get to see different options: photo, style edit. Most probably this is quite good. Or edit the photo, then animate the result into a video. You can always do the video at the end anyway, so you can go with this one or this one. So I will just go for photo to style edit and paste my prompt, which is a quite comprehensive prompt for the front of the photo, because I have back and front designs. So now I have done this. It will allow me to test. When I test, I can then upload one of my t-shirt images. For example, this one I've already uploaded. Now it's going to convert the t-shirt image which I provide. I can even provide the design if the design is all there. And now it has created the whole image with a mock-up as I had provided the details in my prompt. They are very realistic. They take the texture of the t-shirt. Your design comes in properly. I can rename this to anything front of shirt mockup, right? So once I've done that, I can save it. Now every time I use this template, I can get these images consistently. So for example, this template is now saved. I can now upload. Let's take this one, right? So I have the back and the front. This one is created for the front. You can flip it with the word back wherever it says front to change it for the back as well. So now I use that to generate. Again, I've just provided a t-shirt which I downloaded, and look, the exact shirt is there. And I also now get an animate option here. So this is ultra realistic, exactly the shirt, which is a acid wash shirt. The design is exactly the same. It looks natural. I click on video, and it's gonna now create a video for me for my product. So this is brilliant for any clothing brands, anything you're doing. And in future we're gonna look at the jewelry or any other products you can. And here we go. This is so good and so easy to do. The thing is, I can now download here. I can even publish this directly to Twitter, and I can also give it some feedback. I can click start over, and I can then load another shirt, for example this one, and exactly the same process renders, and you get a model wearing the shirt perfectly. Here we go. This is exactly the shirt I have. I can zoom in There's no issues there. If I don't like this, I can redo it, and then it will generate another one. The models change mostly if your prompt is a bit open, or you can actually describe the model. In my case, I've described the model to some extent, so it's usually the same. So here's my front. I can click on the video. I get the video. Very simple, very good. Now, while this is happening, I'm gonna open up another window. There we go. So video is done. Look at the lighting, the sun going on his face. Look at the design coming up. It's brilliant. And I can download this. Okay,